Second sum, seventh subdivision, one of the difficult sum only. After coming sums which are going to see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, somewhat difficult sums only, but no problem, we will derive this sum. Seventh subdivision solution. Here they given 0 to sin square x sin inverse of root t in dt plus 0 to cos square x integration cos inverse of root t in dt. One of the difficult sum. So I am going to consider this root t as sin theta. Therefore, square root of t is nothing but sin theta. Listen carefully. This square root of t I am going to assume as sin theta. Square root of t is sin theta. So if I go into squaring on both sides, this square root will goes, which becomes t. Here square comes nothing but sin square theta. T is equal to sin square theta. Differentiate t with respect to theta. Differentiate t with respect to theta. T is nothing but d theta by dt is equal to, bring down the power, 2 sin theta and differentiate sin theta. Differentiate of sin theta is nothing but cos theta. So d theta moves here. Before moving here, 2 sin theta cos theta formula is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta, d theta moves here, nothing but d theta. So since here integration is in respect to t, the limit will be t. Now it will convert it into theta. So what is the t limit here? 0 and sin square x is a t limit. 0 and sin square is a t limit because t no, dt no. So it is a t limit, this is also t limit. Now it convert into theta. So theta is equal to, if t equal to 0, put t equal to 0. If you are going to put 0, sin theta is equal to 0. When sin will be 0, nothing but 0. So 0 degree. Next, put sin square x. If I am going to put sin square x, you see, in place of t, put sin square x. I will put here. Square root of sin square x is equal to sin theta. Square and square root gets cancelled. Sin and sin also get cancelled. Therefore, theta is equal to x. This is limit we have done for this. It's a easy limit. We have finished for one side. Next, it will present for here also. So how we are going to change? Simple, the same. I am going to assume root t as cos theta. Root t as cos theta. This root t taken as cos theta because cos square x no, cos theta, not x, cos theta. Same squaring on both sides will become t is equal to cos square theta. Differentiate t with respect to theta. dt by d theta is equal to, bring down power, 2 cos theta and differentiate cos theta. Differentiate of cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiate of cos theta is minus sin theta. After differentiating dt by d theta, what becomes minus 2 sin theta cos theta will become sin 2 theta. This d theta moves here. dt by d theta is equal to, dt theta moves here, no, minus sin 2 theta into d theta. So next I need to write the limit, t limit. What is the t limit given here? 0 and cos square x. 0 and cos square x. Now I need to write theta limit. What is the theta limit? Write it now. How are we going to write theta limit? See, if t equals 0, means I can put 0 here. When cos will become 0, the cos will become 0 at 90. 90 means nothing but pi by 2. If I go into t equal to 0 means fully becomes 0, no. Cos theta equal to 0. When cos will become 0, cos 90 will be 0. So pi by 2. Next, cos square x. If I am going to put the same what I done in this side, cos square x, no. Square root of cos square x is equal to cos theta. Square root, cos cancel, therefore theta is equal to x. The same procedure, theta is equal to x. So after doing this, I need to apply here. After doing all the things, I need to apply here. So apply here, what it becomes is equal to integration of, first apply 0 and sin square x will be changed into 0 to x. Next, what is the change here? Sin inverse of root t. They are given sin inverse. So what I am going to change, listen carefully. This sign moves here. So what it becomes? Sin inverse of root t is equal to theta. If theta alone, place it here. This sign moves here, becomes sin inverse of root t. Therefore, sin inverse of root t. Sin inverse of root t is nothing but theta. Put theta. Next, dt. What is the dt? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta into d theta plus integration 0 to cos square x. 0 to cos square is nothing but pi by 2 to x, pi by 2 to x. The same cos inverse of root t, I can bring cos this side, which becomes, what it becomes? Cos inverse of root t is equal to theta. So theta, what is the dt? dt is nothing but minus sine 2 theta into d theta. Sine, see, the sum is not still over. Next I need to integrate theta and sine 2 theta. How I am going to integrate? Using ILATE. Using ILATE. This is studying your 11th standard, ILATE. This is ILATE. This is inverse, log, algebra, trigonometry, exponent. This is theta. This becomes in u. We need to choose u dv. U dv is the formula. U dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1. This dash indicates differentiate v1 indicates integration plus u double dash v2 minus goes on. You can take like this only. This u we need to take care from using ILATE. Theta is nothing but this is inverse, algebra, inverse, log, algebra. Theta we can algebra. Next trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but theta both. So we can take u as theta. U is equal to theta. What is the remaining here? Sine 2 theta. This is v. V is equal to sine 2 theta into d theta. Now u differentiate u dash is nothing but 1. Theta differentiate is 1. What will be u double dash is 0. So integration of dv, we taken this one dv, no, dv. This is u is this one, dv is this one. Integration of dv. Integration of dv is v. Integration of dv is v. Integration of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta integration is minus cos 2 theta. Integration differentiate of 2 theta we need to put down, divide by 2. 2 theta differentiate is nothing but 2. We need to put 2. So sine 2 theta. Sine integrate is nothing but minus cos 2 theta. 2 theta differentiate we need to put 2. So this is v. Next, if I am going to integration of v is v1. Minus 1 by 2 is a constant. Minus 1 by 2 is a constant. Once again cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta integrate. We need to integrate cos 2 theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. Once again differential of 2 theta is nothing but 2. This only we need to put carefully. So both the sides we need to apply. Before applying this minus we can put outside. No problem here. So first what is the formula? uv. This is u. This is v. U is theta. V is minus cos 2 theta by 2. Minus, I put minus here. Next, minus cos 2 theta by 2. Next, minus u dash. What is u dash? 1. U dash into v1. V1 is this one. You can put this minus into minus will become plus. 2 2s are 4. I can put 1 by 4 sine 2 theta. What is the limit here? Apply limit. Limit is nothing but 0 to x. For this one I apply. I told no. Minus into plus minus. Put minus outside and remove. The same theta and sine 2 theta. Now only we have to done. Theta and sine. The same answer only. What is the formula? Limit only changes. What is the formula? First uv. uv is the formula. Which one is u? u is theta. u v. v is minus cos 2 theta by 2. Minus u dash v1. U dash is 1. V1 is this one. So I need to apply plus 1 by 4 sine 2 theta. Close the bracket. Because we need to apply the limit. So need to close the bracket. Pi by 2 to x. Sir, you can apply u double dash v2 because u double dash is 0. So we can stop here. Though some stops here, we need to apply limit alone. First apply the limit. First apply the upper limit. What is upper limit? X. So in place of theta I need to apply x. Minus x. Okay. Cos 2 in place of by 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 2x in place of theta I need to apply x. After applying close the bracket because it's upper limit. If I am going to apply lower limit, see the lower limit is 0. 0 into anything? 0. Sine 2 into 0, 0. Listen carefully. I am not applying the lower limit because lower limit is 0. If I go in place of theta, I need to apply 0. 0 into anything? 0. Totally becomes 0. Sine apply sine 2 into 0, sine 0 is 0, totally will become 0. So you don't need to apply. Put minus into minus plus. I know I will put minus afterwards, put minus alone. First apply upper limit, minus x cos 2x by 2 is upper limit, plus apply 1 by 4 sine 2x. This is upper limit. Here lower limit is pi by 2. I need to apply pi by 2. No other way. Minus of pi by 2. Minus of pi by 2 cos 2 pi by 2 divided by 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 2 pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. So next, if I going to see minus x cos 2x, this is 2x, cos 2x by 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 2x. Now you can multiply minus into minus plus, cos 2x by 2 minus into plus minus 1 by 4 sine 2x. Next minus, open the bracket, minus pi by 2. You know cos pi by 2, this is 2. This 2 gets cancelled. Cos pi value is minus 1. Divide by 2. Cos pi value is minus 1 divide by 2. Next plus 1 by 4 sine 2, this 2 sine pi value is 0, close the bracket. This one minus and plus 4 minus 4 both will be cancelled. So open the bracket, minus of minus pi by 2, minus into minus plus, so become plus. 2 2s are 4, this will become 0. So answer is minus pi by 4. If I going to check, no answer will going to get minus, but I got minus. What mistake I get done? If you going to see here, this minus is common for this one and this one also. If I am going to get this minus into minus will become plus and plus. So answer is pi by 4. Because I done minus for this minus into minus, I become plus. Minus into plus, minus. But I not multiply this minus. Without multiplying, I put minus. No. Now this minus into minus will become plus. So this will become plus. Minus into minus plus, pi 2 2s are 4. This is the correct answer for this sum. One of the biggest sum. Very difficult sum also. So take this sum.